The Belize Customs and Excise Department joined with the Statistical Institute of Belize in observing Caribbean Statistics Day under the theme, Leave No One Behind, Everyone Counts. Statistical data is of great importance to our administration. In fact, in 2010, the department, through the Ministry of Finance, invested heavily in an automated system for customs data, ASECUDA, in an effort to bring reliable, accurate, efficient, and effective data collection to the organization. This modern system provided the administration with the ability to electronically capture statistical data, analyze these data, provide customs management with impressive reports, and finally, offer our stakeholders accurate and reliable statistics. Internally, one of the primary responsibilities of the Belize Customs and Excise Department is the collection of government revenues. These revenues are collected under Chapter 48 of the Laws of Belize through the first schedule via the Belize Tariff and Trade Classification. The tariff consists of 21 sections with 98 active chapters. All importations and exportations of goods are classified using the tariff. It is within this context that customs statistical data are generated. A total of 16 account headings are captured and utilized to collect government revenues in our database. The Customs Administration is responsible to collect approximately 49% of Belize's total recurrent revenues, and all these data are captured in the ASECUDA World System. These statistical data are retrieved from our database, where management can analyze and create such reports. Revenue trend analysis, comparative analysis, effective rate assessment, CIF comparison, tariff analysis, and forecasting and budget projections. Statistical knowledge enhances the Customs Department ability to use the proper methods to collect data, employ the correct analysis, and effectively present the results. Statistics is a crucial process behind how the administration made our discoveries in science. The Belize Customs and Excise Department over the past 5 years have introduced a scientific approach to revenue projections. Historical data are retrieved from our database, and management science software are employed to effectively project revenue forecasts for the following financial year. Statistical data plays an essential role in this process and gives the administration an adequate tool to project revenue collections. Statistical data also enriches the Customs Administration ability to make informed decisions. Data is equal to knowledge, and good data provides indisputable evidence that allows our management team to draw accurate conclusions and support our organizational decision-making and strategy. Statistical data also allows the administration to be strategic in our approach. Data increase efficiency. Effective data analysis allows our administration to direct scarce resources in areas where they are most needed. If there is an increase in significant incidents, such as revenue leakage, the data can be dissected further to determine if the impact is widespread. Another area statistical data assists our customs administration is that it allows the organization to effectively determine the cause of certain problems. Customs management team would be able to visualize relationships between what is happening in the different ports of entry. Looking at these data, it allows our management team to develop more accurate theories and put in place more effective solutions. Externally, statistical data are shared with several of our stakeholders, such as SIB, the Central Bank of Belize, the Belize Tax Service, the Ministry of Finance, to name a few. Now, these institutions rely heavily on the Belize Customs to provide them with suitable data that would complete and populate the required fields of their reports to validate reliable conclusions. The data provided by the organization is done via the ASECUDA World System that is dependable and accurate. In conclusion, we once again congratulate the Statistical Institute of Belize for observing the Caribbean Statistics Day and giving us this opportunity to share the role the Belize Customs and Excise Department plays in collecting and analyzing data. Thank you.